Give me 1 minute, guys. I have to wait if my live stream is okay. I think I'm live right now. So what? Today video is going to very special because we are going to make lip sync chart for this character. You can see right here it's an image. Okay, let me open Adobe Animate CC and we can start our work. Okay, let's see how much time it will take to open. We only wait once it open, we can start our work. So where is our character project? It's here. Let me open this. Okay, now we can start working on his mouth. Okay, where is that work image? It's here. Okay, what I need to do is I will select this head, which is a symbol. I will just double click here to go inside this symbol. Okay, now everything looks unclear here. So what we can do is I need to create a new layer, but first let me find out which is the base layer. Okay, it's hide. Now we can see that it's a base. So what we can do is I need to duplicate this layer. So I will just right click on this face base layer and I will select this option, which is duplicate layers. I will also make sure that if my shortcut keys is selected to default or not. So I will go in this option which called edit, and then I will click keyboard shortcuts, and you can see I don't need right now adapt CC shortcuts. So I will go back to select this to a default set read only, which is Adobe Animate CC default shortcut keys. I will hit OK and we are ready to start our work. I will hide everything. I don't need other related layers. I will just going to um, reveal this layer, which is a duplicate base copy layer. I will rename this layer as a mouth. Okay, what next we can do is I will simply make this layer as a symbol. So let me select this layer again and we can hit F8 key, then it will open a new pop-up menu which is convert to symbol. What we are going to do is I will name this as a mouth. so we will not going to confuse. Okay, now what we can do is clicking on here on OK button, and it will create a symbol for us. And you know what, it's a graphic symbol. Now what, we can just double click here, and we will go inside this mouth symbol, and then we can start our work. So first I will select the extra portion which we don't want it. Okay, so yes, I selected this selection tool V. A shortcut is V, but yeah, I will select this extra portion here, and then I will hit delete option. So we will work only this portion of area. Now what we can do, I need to rename this layer as a mouth, and of course we need another layer, and I will import a BG. I will import a reference image, a background image. So for this I will, sorry, I have created a new layer which is blank right now. It doesn't have any keyframe. So while selecting this BG, I will simply go back here, file, and then I will select this import, and then import to stage, locating my image reference which I want. How about this? This image is okay, I think. I selected this, and now we have this image. I will simply going to move here, okay, and I will lock this layer, so we can't move this layer again if it's locked. Now what, we can start making our mouth. Okay, I need to go back again in head symbol, and I will find out where is our mouth, a layer. I need to find out which is, I don't know which is. Let me reveal everything. I need this one. Okay, that layer doesn't have any name, so do I need this? Let me rethink about it. Let me go without this layer. I will hide everything again, and I will reveal this layer, which is this one, and I will double tap here to go inside this mouth layer, and then what, let me draw a line like this. Okay, will simply use this line tool and start drawing here. And I will use another line like this. I need to move this like okay. Next, what? I need to draw a line like this, and we can make some curvy line like this, and I will start to join this. So this is going our rest mouth. Okay, now I'm going to select this all strokes, and I will cut this by using a shortcut key combination which you can see here, Ctrl plus X, and I will create a new layer, and I will simply going to paste here, and notice here it's a blank keyframe right now, but when I paste here you can see it filled. Now it has keyframes. Okay, so now I can start coloring this area. I need this one. Let me use eyedropper tool for shortcut key. Eyedropper shortcut key is I. Select this, and okay, we can fill this here like this one, and then I will select the extra stroke here which we don't need it. I will delete this. So we have mouth structure like this. Now we need a highlighter like this, so I can use this brush, classic brush tool, but first I need to select the fill color uh, like this way. Okay, now let me do. I will select this classic brush tool, and I need to adjust uh, its size. Let me see one size is correct or not. I think it's correct, and I will zoom out somewhere here. Let me undo this, and again I will do this way. Okay, it looks great. Now we can move to the different mouth shape. So let me see which one is going to be our different mouth shape. How about this one? Okay, now what I need is I will create another keyframe by using this insert keyframe. Give me 1 minute. I need to select everything here, and then I will add this keyframe. And now we are here. I have selected this frame 2 and I will insert a keyframe again. Okay, now what? I will remove this keyframe. So I will just select this clear keyframe. And I need to enable this auto insert keyframe. And then I will also do the same steps here. Okay, now we can start our work. I need this keyframe as a blank. Let me do if it's possible. No, first I need to remove everything. Remove frames, and if I select here and add this insert blank keyframe, no, it's not working. I think I have to select this thing and let me insert it blank keyframe. No, it's not working. What I can do is manually add blank keyframe. Sorry, let me go back, selecting this frame, which is frame 2, and then clicking this insert blank keyframe. Now we can start our work, but first let me enable this onion skin, and we have to limit its range here. I need to see only its back frame, so I have selected this. Only 2 frame will reveal. Okay, now let me draw a line here, and simply I will do some curve and also I will do some lining here, need some curves here, and then what? I simply need to select this selection tool and I need to select the half portion here, but first let me fill this color by choosing this one. Okay, let me lock this layer first. It's locked. I need to lock this layer, and now we can color this, sorry, fill this gap. Now I need to delete this extra stroke here. Now what we can do, especially here, is I don't need a stroke here. So for this, let me do something here. What I can do actually, uh, I think I don't need some curvy line. Okay, how what I can do here actually, it will select everything. Okay, I need use this lasso tool. Let me select this small portion, and then I will delete this stroke. Let me turn off this onion skinning. Okay, let me adjust it. Mm, let me do this again. I think it's okay. We can move on our next frame. I have inserted a blank keyframe again. Now let me choose this one, and let me reveal this onion skinning. Let me adjust its range so we can see this only. Okay, next what? I will draw, sorry, I will start drawing here. Need some curves here, and also I need some point here. And I can make curves line like this, so we can replicate this. Need lining here, and also I need to add point here. To do this, I'm holding control, so it's add some points which we want right now. Now like this, and now I can add some curves here. And again, I'm using this line tool. Sorry, let me add a line like this, and we can curve this like what you are seeing here. Now we can add it, join this. Now we can create a line here, and we can make some curves like this. Okay, next we need something, a line here. And the line also, then what? I need a line here, and let me switch to this selection tool so we can add some points. But first let me add some curves here, and then let me add some variation like this. Now we are, oh good. Now I will use this eyedropper tool and start coloring. Okay, now let me remove some extra strokes which we don't want it. I don't want this one, and also this one. Okay, we have created this shape. Now we can move again to this one. Okay, I need some guide. Let me move and insert a blank keyframe. Now we can start working on this frame, which is frame 4. Okay, first I will draw a line like this, and I will make curves line here like this one, and I need to select this selection tool and start giving some points. Okay, I have some confusion. but I will fix this issue. Let me select everything. I need to adjust okay. Now I need a line here. Now I need to select this tool and then it looks good enough. Okay, I need line here. Let me add some points and make round enough. Like this. Okay, let me move. It needs some adjustment. Okay, I need to add some point here. Okay, it's giving me some errors. Okay, we can start working on lips. Okay, let me add some curves. And add some thickness here. Now we can add some line here. Like this way. And we can line like this way. Okay, we have everything. Let's we fill the color. Yeah. Let me remove the extra stroke which we don't want it. And it looks like this. we can start working on our next drawing. Okay, we have already draw this shape. What about this shape? I don't need this one. Yeah, we can draw uh, this shape. I think it's very simple. So first we need to start from this shape. Let me add some keyframe. So I will insert a blank keyframe right now, and we can start drawing some line like this and add some curves like this one, and again I will add some line like this. I need to add some curves. I will match this line. Okay, now it's matched, right? I need some thickness, so I will add some more thickness like this, and I will again draw a line like this one, and yeah, I need some curves line here. I will just simply merge this stroke like this way, and we need to adjust like this way. And now I can simply choose the color which I want and start painting like this. I fill this color. Now I don't need some extra stroke. Okay, now we can move on to our next mouth shape, which is this one. It's actually very simple. Okay, let me add a blank keyframe again, and now let me draw a line like this way and add some line okay. I can add some line like this one, and I will merge this stroke like this way, add some variation. Now I need another line like this one. I need to make this curve, and yeah, I can simply click and drag like this way, and I can make some variation like this way, like this way. Now I need a line here. Okay, I need to make curves, then simply I will merge this. Now what I need to fill this color, so I'll use this paint bucket tool. And also I will use this color to fill the inside. Now I will delete the extra layers, sorry, extra strokes. Okay, I think it needs some adjustment. And need some adjustment like this way. Okay, this mouth shape is looks good enough. Now we can move to the next mouth shape, which is this mouth shape. I will add extra keyframe. No, I don't want keyframe, so I'll simply undo this by using Control plus Z. Okay, now I need a blank keyframe. Okay, I'll add this and start drawing our line. And add some curves. Also I need line here. Later on we make some adjustment. Let me draw. Okay, I don't need this. I simply use the selection tool and start dragging this. Now I think I need extra line here. And we can give some curves. Like this way. And I need to make this slim. And let me adjust its height. And yeah, that looks perfect. Now what? I need a line here, and I will simply going to merge like this. I need another line on bottom. I need some curves, and then I will simply make a joint here, and I will adjust this like this way. Now it's time to fill. Okay, now I will select this color and I will delete the extra stroke which I don't want. And you know what? I need to adjust this. Okay, now we can move to our next mouth shape. Which is this one. I think I can modify this mouth shape. Let me do that if this is possible. Adjust its size. Okay, it's difficult. So what we can do, mm, let me clear this keyframe and insert a blank keyframe, and then we can start drawing again. It need to be a sort, a line here, another line here, need some curves, and let me adjust its direction. Okay, what we can do, add some height. I think I need to add some point here. And then I need to add some line here. I'll merge this line and add some thickness here. Now let me color this again. And I will select this color again. And removing the extra stroke which we don't want. Let me see how it looks. Okay, we have only the 4 frames, which is our keyframe, right? And the 5 is rest mouth shape, rest mouth shape, what I'm saying. Okay. It doesn't look it's saying something, but we can add some adjustment later. Our primary focus is create a shape. Okay, now let me go and select the next mouth shape, which is this one. I will simply enable our onion skinning so we can see the back frame. Now let me add lining like this one, and I need some line like this one, need curves, and let me joint, need some lining here, it needs some curves like this, and here I need to add a line. It also needs some curves, and I will simply going to join this. Okay, so we have done this. Now it's time to color. And I'll select this color. Now I will simply going to delete the extra layer, which is this one. Now it's time to turn off this onion skin and see what we have. Okay, now I know what I need to do. So first, let me hold this. Let me change its position. Second, give me 1 second, guys. I need to add some blank keyframe so we can better understand what we can do. It's simply click here, uh, like this way, and I will do the same stuff, all this keyframe. Third one, and fourth one. Let me see. Okay, we have some problem here. I was thinking everything is going okay. Okay, now what I can do, I simply enable this onion skinning again and see what I can do. I can, sorry, simply select this strokes and need some adjustment. Okay, let me turn off this onion scanning and see what is happening. Okay, it needs some adjustment. Okay, now what? I'm going to delete this extra keyframe, which this one, and right clicking and selecting this clear, nope, remove frames. Now we can see our lip sync chart is complete. Now we need some variation on the second mouth layer, which is this one. So let me do. I simply unlock this layer and selecting this one. I can, let me select this and remove frames. Now what I can do, simply add a keyframe and let me see that. I will select this one and just adjust its height. I will also going to enable this onion skinning. Now it's time to get the front, sorry, back frame. And also I will add a keyframe and let me adjust its height. And also here let me go back and see. It needs some closeness. And what about this one? Need to be open. And this one need to be like this, and I will disable this onion skinning. Okay, next I will turn this PG as a guide, and I will clear frames, clear keyframes, and also I will remove frames here so we have a good range. Okay, I'll go back and reveal everything. And I need some uh, frames here and see how does it look. Okay, let me remove some keys here. What I can do, okay, let me uh, go back again. I need to add, I need to copy this base layer. Okay, now I copied. I will go inside our mouth shape. Now what? I will add some keyframe here. I have some problem right now. Let me see how I can fix this issue. Okay, I have an idea. Uh, Let me go back. I don't need this layer. I will go back here and let me see which one is giving me problem. On here, I need to do uh, let me hide everything, and I will select this base layer. Okay, now what? I will add frames like this one, and then I will start editing manually. I need mouth shape, enable. Let me undo this. Where is mouth shape? It's here. Okay, I need to select from this. this area. Now I will delete, and then I will re-enable this. Okay, now I will go inside this mouth layer and manually I will adjust this. Okay, I'll go back. It's look good enough. Paste. Okay, next. Okay, the lining is not perfect. I will go inside. Let me go back and see. We are currently in frame 3. Now we can adjust this. Let me go back. And see here, it needs some adjustment. I'll go back. Let me find out. Now let's see. This is not right. Now I'll go back. And manually adjust this, and I'll go back again and see. And see the error. I'll go back. Okay, everything looks great. I think so. Now what I can do, I will simply going to make this duplicate layer. And then I will make this uh, face based layer as a guide, and then I will simply select this layer and simply alt and drag here. I will hide everything again and see this layer. I will remove, I will clear keyframes here, and we have a better understanding. I'll hide this base layer, and I don't need this marker. And layer 4, I don't need this. Okay, I need this one. Let me go again, and I will select this mouth only shape. Let me enable the wireframe mode. Okay, now I'll select every layer like this one, and I will choose this a tool which is called free transform tool, and I'll manually adjust here. And let me go back, and now I will hide this mouth layer. Sorry, mouth, no. Layer 4, which is here. Let me hide this and see the magic. Okay, I need manual adjustment, I think so. Let me do this. I'll go inside and see. Yeah, we need some adjustment. Now we can go back and see how does it looks. I think it looks great. Now I will go back. Okay, I need to go inside, and I need some adjustment, which is layer 4. I need to delete this because we don't need that layer. Now I deleted. I'll go inside this symbol again. Now it's time to make this highlight. I will select this classic B tool. And then let's manually add some detailings like this. I will undo this. Okay, now let's see how it looks. Mhm. I will add some extra keyframe here. Sorry, frames I need to insert. And then let me undo this again. Let me undo. As you can see, our our lip sync chart is ready. It looks like it's saying something, and I like it. It looks beautiful. I'm really satisfied with this result. What do you say, guys? Give me 1 minute. I need to do something. Uh, we have created a live stream. Which is good. We have created this beautiful girl lip sync. And we can start our animation. I will save this file. And thanks for watching this video. Bye. End.